Diversification refers to the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, geographic regions, or investment types to reduce the overall risk in your portfolio. It is an essential strategy for managing risk and potentially enhancing returns in your investment portfolio. Here's why diversification is important. 1. Risk reduction. Diversification helps reduce the risk of significant losses in your portfolio. By investing in a variety of assets, you are less exposed to the performance of a single investment or a particular sector. If one investment performs poorly, the impact on your overall portfolio may be mitigated by the positive performance of other investments. 2. Smoothing out returns. Different investments have varying levels of volatility and respond differently to market conditions. Diversification can help smooth out the ups and downs in your portfolio by combining assets with different risk-return profiles. When some investments may be performing poorly, others may be performing well, resulting in a more consistent overall return. 3. Maximizing potential returns. Diversification allows you to access different asset classes or sectors that have the potential for strong performance. By allocating your investments across various areas, you increase the likelihood of participating in the growth of different sectors or asset classes that may outperform others at different times. 4. Exposure to different economic conditions. Different investments perform differently in various economic conditions. By diversifying across asset classes and regions, you can have exposure to different sectors or regions that may thrive under specific economic circumstances. This can help protect your portfolio from being overly reliant on the performance of a single economy or market. 5. Reducing correlation risk. Correlation refers to the relationship between the price movements of different investments. Diversification aims to include assets with low or negative correlation, meaning they don't move in lockstep with each other. When investments are negatively correlated or have low correlation, they tend to react differently to market conditions, providing a potential cushion against extreme market movements. 6. Capitalizing on different investment opportunities. Diversification allows you to take advantage of a broader range of investment opportunities. By investing in various asset classes or regions, you can participate in different growth areas and potentially benefit from unique market trends or investment themes. It's important to note that while diversification can help manage risk, it does not guarantee profits or eliminate the possibility of losses. Additionally, over-diversification can dilute the potential returns of your portfolio. Striking a balance between diversification and concentration is key. Determining the appropriate level of diversification for your portfolio depends on factors such as your risk tolerance, investment goals, time horizon, and individual circumstances. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you design a diversified portfolio that aligns with your specific needs and objectives.